After installing the packages and loading the packages, we want to explore the data. So this is a variable, and empty cars is the data set we'll be exploring in this experiment. So data is equal to empty cars. Otherwise, you can even use this notation for the assignment operator. Either you can use equals or the reverse arrow mark, both are one and the same. Here in this tutorial, I'm going with the assignment operator. Don't get confused if you are saying the reverse arrow mark operator, like the less than symbol and the hyphen. Don't mistake, both are same. The assignment equals and the reverse arrow mark operator, both are same. So the data is holding the copy of the empty cars now. So this is basically the comment, the hash within the code block acts as a comment, loading the built-in data set, right? So data is having the copy of empty cars data set, and again head of data. So basically head of data shows us first 6 rows of the empty cars because the data is having the copy of the empty cars data set. So let us see the output here by clicking on this green color button, run current chunk button. So here you will be able to see this is the part of empty cars dataset. The empty cars dataset is having 6 rows and 11 columns. So actually the empty cars dataset doesn't have 6 rows, it has more rows because of we have executed head of data. It is only showing first 6 rows of this dataset and all the 11 columns of this particular dataset in line. So in this step, we have loaded the dataset and we have inspected the dataset for first 6 rows. Likewise, you can do tail of data will give you the last 6 rows of the data. Again, you can see the last 6 rows of the data. So the first 6 rows of the data is given here. The last 6 rows of the data is given here. You can switch between the different outputs. In case if you want to see only first few rows, not only not exactly six, you can do head of data, comma n is equal to 2. This means it will only show you the first 2 rows of the data. You can see. Likewise, n is fixed for 6 in case if you are not specifying the value for n. If you want to see more number of rows than 6, you can specify n is equal to greater than 6. Otherwise, if you want to see the number of rows which are less than 6 as a part of head, you can specify n is equal to less than 6. So it will show you first few rows of that particular data set. So in the next video, what we will do is we will explore the data set. We will see number of rows, number of columns, the data type, and the summary statistics of empty cast data set.